Embarking on a weight loss journey is a personal and often challenging endeavor. In recent years, the landscape of weight loss solutions has expanded to include medications like Wegovy, offering a new dimension to the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle. In this article, we'll delve into the science behind Wegovy and other weight loss medications, exploring how they affect the body, debunking common misconceptions, and weighing the pros and cons to provide a comprehensive understanding for those considering such interventions. How Wegovy affects the body. Wegovy, like other weight loss medications, operates within the intricate web of the body's physiological processes. At its core, Wegovy is designed to impact appetite regulation and metabolism. The medication mimics the action of a hormone called glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, which is involved in the regulation of glucose and appetite. By activating GLP-1 receptors in the brain, Wegovy helps reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness, leading to a reduction in food intake. Understanding the science behind Wegovy requires acknowledging its multifaceted impact. Beyond appetite control, it also influences insulin sensitivity and fat metabolism. These mechanisms collectively contribute to weight loss by promoting a favorable balance between energy intake and expenditure. Experts suggest that Wegovy may be particularly beneficial for individuals with obesity-related conditions, such as type 2 diabetes. By addressing both weight loss and metabolic factors, the medication offers a comprehensive approach to improving overall health. Common misconceptions about Wegovy. Misinformation often surrounds new medications, and Wegovy is no exception. Addressing these misconceptions is crucial for individuals considering this weight loss intervention. Myth: Wegovy is a miracle pill for instant weight loss. 1. Reality: while Wegovy has demonstrated efficacy in clinical trials, it is not a magical solution for instant weight loss. 1. Results vary among individuals, and the medication is most effective when combined with lifestyle changes. Myth: Wegovy is unsafe. 1. Reality: Wegovy has undergone rigorous testing for safety and efficacy. 1. However, like any medication, it may have side effects. 1. It's essential to discuss individual health conditions and concerns with a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss medication. Myth: Wegovy replaces the need for diet and exercise. 1. Reality: weight loss medications, including Wegovy, are most successful when used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular exercise. 1. They should be viewed as tools to support lifestyle changes rather than substitutes for them. Pros and cons of weight loss medications. Weight loss medications come with their set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these can help individuals make informed decisions about incorporating them into their weight loss journey. Pros. Effective weight loss. Clinical studies have shown that weight loss medications, including Wegovy, can lead to significant and sustained weight loss when used as part of a comprehensive weight management plan. Metabolic improvements. Beyond weight loss, these medications often contribute to improvements in metabolic health, including better blood sugar control and reduced risk of obesity-related complications. Appetite regulation. Weight loss medications can help regulate appetite, making it easier for individuals to adhere to a calorie-controlled diet. Cons. Potential side effects. Common side effects of weight loss medications may include nausea, diarrhea, and changes in taste. It's crucial to discuss these potential side effects with a healthcare professional. Long-term considerations. The long-term safety and efficacy of some weight loss medications, including Wegovy, may still be under investigation. Individuals should weigh the benefits against potential risks. Not a standalone solution. Weight loss medications are most effective when used in conjunction with lifestyle changes. Relying solely on medication without addressing diet and exercise may limit long-term success. Beyond Wegovy, exploring the weight loss medication landscape. Wegovy is just one player in the field of weight loss medications. Exploring other options provides individuals with a more comprehensive view of available interventions. Medications like phentermine, liraglutide, and orlistat target different aspects of weight regulation, and their suitability varies based on individual health profiles and preferences. Understanding the diverse range of weight loss medications empowers individuals to make choices aligned with their unique needs and goals. Consulting with healthcare professionals ensures personalized guidance tailored to individual health condition. In the journey toward weight loss, knowledge is a powerful ally. The science behind Wegovy and other weight loss medications is complex, but with a nuanced understanding of how these interventions affect the body, individuals can make informed decisions about their health. Debunking common misconceptions, weighing the pros and cons, and exploring the broader landscape of weight loss medications collectively provide a roadmap for those considering these interventions. As with any medical decision, open communication with healthcare professionals is essential, ensuring that the chosen path aligns with individual health needs and goals. In the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle, the integration of science-backed information, coupled with personalized guidance, lays the foundation for a sustainable and effective weight loss journey. Please like and subscribe.